Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to turn on off NSFW content on Reddit. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go to reddit.com, and from here guys, just simply go ahead and click on login over here and just simply log in into your account. You can continue with phone number, Google or Apple, or manually type in your account. So this will be depending on you. Now guys, once you are logged in, just simply go ahead and click on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the drop down. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the preferences over here. And after that, you should be able to see here the show mature content. So make sure to turn on or off this one. And that's simply about it. You should be able to turn on and turn off these content over here. Or guys, you can just simply go ahead and go to the profile over here, and after that you should be able to see here the same thing as well. And from here you should be able to turn it on and turn it off. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.